Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and this is a review for the high 2.5 GPM Smart Showerhead.
Thank you to Best Buy for sending me this product for free to try. You'll receive the Showerhead, 5-foot shower hose, Showerhead arm, and an installation guide and activation card. The wand of the Showerhead is made from metal with a brushed stainless steel finish. It measures 10 inches long and the sprayer has a 4.5-inch diameter. The sprayer has 35 rubber nozzles. The front and back of the Showerhead are plastic and come in 6 different colors. This light blue color is called Surf. The slider on the handle controls the spray pattern from high-pressure stream to a finer mist. Since it's not a toggle switch, you can also set the spray pattern to anything in between. On the back, just above the connection point, you'll find the flow rate of the unit as it comes in both standard and eco-efficient versions. Mine is the standard version at 2.5 gallons per minute or 9.5 liters per minute max flow rate, while the low flow rate would be a 1.8 gallon or 6.8 liter per minute flow rate. The Showerhead arm is made of solid metal and pretty hefty. Inside is where the smart Bluetooth features are housed and powered by your water pressure, so it requires no battery or watering. At the top end is where you'll connect it to your water line, and the hose attaches to the bottom. Off to the right-hand side is the sprayer wand holder. The clamp at the top moves up and down to assist in tightening and loosening the connections for a watertight seal. At the front is an LED indicator that will change color based on the settings that you choose in the app. The hose looks like a silvery metal, but is actually made of a flexible rubber. There are 2 threaded connectors that have been pre-installed with rubber washers in the metal housings. The shorter connector will connect to the bottom of the holder, and the longer one to the showerhead. The assembly instructions are brief but clear and illustrated, and Hi has installation videos that you can watch as well. Be sure to keep the activation card, as it has a device-specific activation QR code for registering it to your account and initiating the 2-year warranty. The unit is easy to install and takes just a few minutes, though you may need an adjustable wrench, pliers, and plumber's Teflon tape. I also like to have masking tape handy to avoid damaging the finish if you're using any tools. First, you'll need to remove your old showerhead. I currently have a dual head setup, so I'm going to have to remove the splitter and go back to a single showerhead with the Hi. Then connect the showerhead arm by sliding the clamp up over the top nut and turning clockwise until tight. If your connection here leaks, you may need to use plumber's tape first by adding 2 to 3 clockwise wraps on the threads just up to the top thread. Next, position the Bluetooth base vertically. Slide the clamp down over the lower nut and turn clockwise until tight. When you're finished, slide the clamp up to the middle where it can swivel freely and tuck it out of the way behind the arm. At the bottom of the arm, connect the shorter nut of the hose by turning clockwise. With the rubber washer, hand tightening should be sufficient for a watertight seal. Then connect the showerhead to the other end of the hose. Next, download and install the Hi app to your mobile device and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. In the app, you'll need to register for an account or sign in, then scan your product's unique activation code. You'll need to turn the water on for your shower to power it on and pair to the showerhead, and this took less than 1 minute to complete. After which you can shut the water off, as the unit can continue to have power for up to an hour. You'll give your unit a name and select its color. You can add multiple Hi showerheads in the app if you install them in more than one bathroom in your home. The 2 smart features included are the ability to set a water usage alert and choose a preferred water temperature from 33 to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. For water usage, it calculates gallons saved if you use less than the national average of 20 gallons per showering session. Setting the LED color gives you a visual cue in the shower when you've hit that usage, though it won't stop the water flow to prevent you from taking a longer shower. For the water temperature, you'll set your preferred temperature, which will also display a custom LED color when it's reached, or you can even receive a push notification to your phone when the temperature is ready if it takes a while for your water lines to warm up. However, again, this isn't a hard limit, so the temperature may continue to rise above your set alert temperature. The app walkthrough explains that your water usage data is synced to the app whenever you're within Bluetooth range of the showerhead and the app is open, so you will have to launch the app after showering if you want to capture the data for that session. The app includes a timestamp, time spent in the shower, gallons used, average water temperature, and estimated kilowatt hours of energy used to heat the water. You'll also see efficiency metrics like water and energy saved when compared to national averages. Just remember that only water usage used through the showerhead itself gets tracked, and any water usage through a separate tub spout would be left out of these metrics. If you miss a session, the showerhead can actually store several days' worth of data, and will sync it to your phone the next time the app pairs to your showerhead. These numbers are averaged and recorded on daily, weekly, monthly, and annual charts in the app, so you can track your usage data over time and spot trends. You can also review your recent shower sessions, though you'll only see duration and gallons used in the history log. There is one final section of the app called Rituals that contains articles promoting wellness and well-being, like recommendations for better sleep, stretching, meditation, and tips for maintaining your showerhead. Overall, the Hi Smart Showerhead provides a really nice showering experience with on-the-fly adjustable water pressure from firm to soft, while providing you with convenient notifications regarding water temperature and consumption. It unlocks the power of your usage data, so you can make decisions and take action regarding your household's habits in the shower, which not only helps you to save water and energy, but also reduces costs and promotes conservation for a more sustainable lifestyle. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join me next time.